Hi everyone, welcome to another Binance tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use cryptocurrencies to make payment or receive payment on Binance. Now, some weeks ago, Binance launched a new feature on the app called Binance Pay. Now, Binance Pay is a user-to-user crypto payment service on the Binance app that can be used to pay, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. And it is very secure. According to Binance, it is very secure. Now, before I continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make content on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. So now, how do you use the Binance Pay? Before you can use the Binance Pay on the Binance app, you must have completed your identity verification on Binance. So after you've done that, the next thing is to go to your wallet. Click on wallet, and then at the top of the screen here, you can see where I'm scrolling. Just go to the extreme end at the right and click on Pay. So this is your Binance Pay wallet. So all you have to do next is to transfer some coins from your spot wallet to your Binance Pay wallet. So I'm going to click on transfer. You can see pay, receive, transfer. I'll click on transfer. Then I'll transfer, let's say, okay, Bitcoin from my spot wallet to pay my pay wallet. So you can see so I'm going to interchange it here from spot to pay. So BTC, let me just send everything. Max, confirm transfer. So transfer successful. If you go back and let me open it, you see I'll send 0.003 BTC to my pay wallet. Now let's say, for example, you want to receive payment. Maybe you sold something to someone, or maybe you made transaction and you want to receive your money in cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is just click on receive. You can see in the middle here, click on receive. And then once you click on receive, you can see your pay ID. That's your pay ID. Everyone who has a Binance Pay account will have pay ID. So you copy that pay ID and send to the person, and the person will input it on his Binance app, and then the person will enter the amount of coin and the coin he or she wants to send to you, and then the coin will be sent directly to your Binance account. No charges. It will be sent to your Binance account. And let's say, for example, you are the one that want to make payment. So you just click on pay here. Just click on pay, and then you receive the pay ID from that person, the person you want to send crypto to. Input the pay ID there, then you enter the amount of money or the amount of crypto you want to send to that person, and then the crypto will be sent directly to that person. So this is how you can use Binance Pay to pay for services and products, and you can also use it to receive payment from your customers. I hope this is very helpful. If so, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and bye guys. I will see you in my next video.